Unfortunately, I think the Palantir bull cycle is officially over. You guys know that I've been bullish on Palantir for a very long time now. The monthly BX at the bottom of your screen, it's one of our favorite indicators and a staple in our strategy, was green since September and October of 2022. This indicates that we are entering a bull cycle. At one point, it was up over 3,000%. And now to close the month of January, we are getting our first month red on this BX trender, which normally indicates the bull cycle is over. And in this video, I want to share what my thoughts are, my worst case scenario, and where I think price is headed from here. Now, when it comes to Palantir specifically, when this BX trender turns dark red, it doesn't necessarily mean the stock has to sell off. It normally means that the breakout to the upside is just no longer going to happen. So when I'm looking to trade, I only want my capital exposed if we have a good chance of a breakout. I don't want to be holding compressions. I definitely don't want to be holding capitulations and sell-offs. And so that's why normally I'll rotate my money out of these names and put them into something else. You will see that price is still trying to hold on to our market bias / fair value band, but it's not looking good. And normally price will bounce off of this support level if the BX is green. But the fact that the BX is no longer green, not a good sign. So in my opinion, I think this is definitely the top. I'm not shorting this. I don't short stocks. I just would be rotating money out of it and putting it towards something else. You will also see that we have a head and shoulders pattern in play right now. Big shoulder here, head here, shoulder here, liquidity level seated between 146 to 150. If this support level breaks, that next level that we will pull back to is the smart money zone. So we'd probably see a sustained 25% to 30% sell off in the next 3 to maybe 4 months. And ultimately, I hope I'm wrong, but the monthly BX turning red is normally about 70% accurate as far as a no longer seeing a breakout. So I would really be watching this support level of 147 to 140. And ultimately, I do think that this is going to continue to sell off to probably $100. If you guys want access to all of the indicators and the strategy we went over in today's video, you can get them in the course library completely for free. Step 1 is the BX trender. Step 2 is the volume profile, smart money zones, and market bias. Over 25,000 traders have taken these courses and are implementing our strategy right now. And as always, when it comes to the bearish news, I hope I'm wrong.